You don't need to spend a lot to get your kitchen ready. Amazon is full of clever, cheap gadgets that can totally change how you cook. These affordable tools make tough prep work easy and help you cook perfectly. They show that anyone can cook well and try new things, even on a budget. In 2025, see how a few smart, low-cost additions can make your kitchen much better without costing a fortune. Get ready to check out 13 essential gadgets that do a lot for a little money. Number 1. Soliter Plate Gripper. The Soliter Plate Gripper is a versatile kitchen tool designed for safe and convenient lifting of hot plates, bowls, or pans from appliances like Instant Pots, air fryers, microwaves, toaster ovens, and steamers, ideal for handling at custard, jadanging, and other delicate dishes. This gripper provides a secure, non-slip grip, reducing the risk of burns or spills. Made with durable stainless steel and heat-resistant silicone, it ensures both strength and comfort during use. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to store and perfect for everyday cooking. The pack includes the grippers for added convenience. Whether you're steaming, baking, or frying, the Soliter Plate Gripper is an essential accessory for any modern kitchen. Number 2. Rechargeable Electric Knife. This cordless rechargeable electric knife offers effortless slicing at the convenience of wireless operation. Equipped with durable, serrated edge blades, it easily cuts through turkey, meat, sourdough bread, ribs, fillets, and even foam. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the built-in safety lock provides added protection during use. Its easy slice design allows for smooth, precise cuts every time, making it perfect for home kitchens, holiday meals, or professional use. The set includes a convenient storage case for organized, space-saving storage and simple transport. Assembly and disassembly are quick and hassle-free, rechargeable and cordless. This electric knife eliminates the clutter of cords, giving you full freedom of movement while preparing meals with ease and precision. Number 3. Air Fryer. The Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven Tray Extractor is a practical tool designed to safely and easily remove hot trays, grills, or food from ovens, air fryers, and toaster ovens. This scald-resistant clip features a sturdy, heat-resistant handle that offers a firm, non-slip grip for lifting and maneuvering hot cookware. Ideal for everyday cooking, it's compatible with most trays and grill racks, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The extractor is lightweight, durable, and easy to use, helping prevent burns and spills while improving kitchen efficiency. Whether you're pulling out a sizzling tray of roasted vegetables or a grill rack with cooked meats, this tool ensures safe, quick removal without the need for bulky mitts or gloves. Number 4. Electric Can Opener. The Electric Can Opener is a handheld, one-touch kitchen gadget designed for effortless can opening, ideal for seniors or individuals with arthritis. It operates automatically with a single press, eliminating the need for twisting or gripping. Its smart design fits various can sizes and shapes, making it a versatile tool for everyday use. The opener cuts along the side of the can, leaving smooth, safe edges with no sharp or jagged metal. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for any kitchen. Whether you're dealing with soup cans, fruit tins, or pet food containers, this can opener provides a hands-free, stress-free solution, a thoughtful and practical gadget. It enhances kitchen safety and convenience for users of all ages. Number 5. Pan Buddy. The Pan Buddy is a clever vertical attachment designed to fit securely onto your pan handle, adding leverage and support to make lifting heavy cookware easier and safer. Ideal for those with limited hand strength or mobility issues. Its ergonomic design reduces strain on wrists and arms. Made from durable, heat-resistant material, the Pan Buddy stays cold to the touch and is easy to attach or remove. Whether you're handling cast iron skillets or full pots, this innovative kitchen aid improves control and comfort. Its sleek black finish blends seamlessly with most cookware styles, making it both functional and stylish. Number 6. Steel Egg Whisk. The OOKUU stainless steel egg whisk is a semi-automatic kitchen tool designed for effortless blending, whisking, beating, and stirring. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it features a spring press mechanism that spins the whisk head with a simple push, saving time and energy. Perfect for mixing eggs, sauces, creams, and batters. It offers precise control without electricity or batteries. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the compact design makes it easy to store and clean. Whether you're a home cook or a baking enthusiast, the OOKU Whisk is a reliable, versatile addition to any kitchen arsenal. Number 7. MultiFunction Opener. The Kitchen Mama Epic 1 MultiFunction Opener is a versatile, ergonomic tool designed to make kitchen tasks easier, especially for those with weak hands or arthritis. This all-in-one gadget functions as a magnetic, bottle opener, beer and soda can opener, pull tab lifter, and jar opener. Its user-friendly design offers a comfortable grip and requires minimal effort, making it perfect for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength. The magnetic feature securely holds caps, preventing spills and messes. Compact and stylish, it fits easily in any kitchen drawer or utensil holder, durable and reliable. The Kitchen Mama Epic 1 is the ultimate helper for effortless opening, bringing independence and ease back to everyday kitchen activities. Number 8. Lidsid by Monkey Business is a fun and functional pot lid lifter designed to keep your pots from boiling over while cooking soups, stews, and sauces. This clever kitchen gadget props the lid open just enough to allow steam to escape, preventing messy spills and overflows. Shaped like a playful little figure peeking out from under the lid, Lidsid adds a whimsical touch to your kitchen while serving a practical purpose. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it's safe, durable, and easy to clean, perfect for everyday cooking. It's a great conversation starter and a thoughtful gift for any home chef. Lidsid combines charm and utility, making it a must-have among cool and cute kitchen accessories. Number 9. Collapsible Dish Basin. The Collapsible Dish Basin is a versatile, space-saving solution perfect for kitchens, RVs, and camping. With a 9.4 gallon capacity, it's ideal for washing dishes, bottles, produce, or laundry made from durable, BPA-free plastic. It features a convenient drain plug for easy water release. The foldable design allows it to collapse flat for compact storage, making it ideal for small spaces or travel. Lightweight yet sturdy, this multi-purpose basin is easy to carry and clean. Its vibrant blue color adds a fresh touch to any setting, whether at home or on the go. This wash basin offers practical functionality with minimal fuss. Number 10. Ice Cream Scoop. The newest heated ice cream scoop is a game-changing kitchen gadget designed to glide effortlessly through even the hardest frozen treats. This rechargeable electric scoop heats up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, softening ice cream on contact for smooth, mess-free serving. Ideal for dense ice creams and frozen desserts, it eliminates the struggle of digging with traditional scoops. The sleek white design is both modern and functional, featuring an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip. With fast heating and easy charging, it's perfect for parties or everyday indulgence. Safe and efficient, this scoop ensures portion control and minimal waste. Enjoy perfectly scooped ice cream without the effort every time, a must-have for dessert lovers. And a great gift idea too. Number 11. Grater Finger Guard. The Grater Finger Guard is an essential kitchen safety tool designed to protect your fingers while cutting vegetables, grating, or using a mandolini slicer. Made from durable stainless steel, this finger protector shields your fingertips from sharp blades, reducing the risk of cuts and injuries. Its ergonomic design ensures a secure and comfortable fit, allowing you to work confidently and efficiently. The guard is versatile and compatible with various kitchen tools, making it perfect for slicing, dicing, or grating tasks. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, it offers both convenience and hygiene. Ideal for home cooks and professionals alike, this finger guard enhances kitchen safety without compromising precision or control during food preparation. Number 12. Stainless Steel Jar Opener. The upgraded stainless steel jar opener is designed specifically for seniors and those with weak hands, making it easier to open stubborn jar lids and bottle caps. This under-cabinet mounted tool allows one-handed operation, providing a stable grip and leverage without straining wrists or fingers. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to rust. Its compact design fits neatly under counters, saving space while offering convenient access. Perfect for opening jars, bottles, and cans, it helps maintain independence in the kitchen. Easy to install and use, this jar opener combines practicality with comfort, making it an ideal gift for elderly family members or anyone who struggles with traditional openers. Number 13. Cut-resistant gloves. Dow Life cut-resistant gloves provide top-level safety with food-grade level 5 protection, ideal for chefs and home cooks handling sharp tools like mandolins, knives, and oyster shucking knives. Made from high-quality, Durable materials, these gloves guard against cuts and injuries while maintaining flexibility and comfort. Perfect for meat cutting, filleting, and other precise kitchen tasks. They enhance safety without compromising dexterity. The breathable, washable design ensures long-lasting use and hygiene. Whether you're a professional butcher or an avid home chef, Life gloves offer reliable protection during food preparation, reducing accident risks and improving confidence. A must-have kitchen accessory for anyone working with sharp blades. These gloves combine safety, comfort, and durability in one essential package.